Today I'm gonna play an Iraqi song for Lucy. She doesn't know what the words mean. She has to guess words. Are you ready?
I think so, but I feel scared already.
Oh, see.
That's the Toronto vibe.
What?
Guys, look what I found! Okay. Iran! Oh my god, where is that? Where is that? Wow, look at them! Aww, mwah. Mwah. Good boy, go around! Go, 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 go! Oh my god, look at them! Look at her dress!
Okay, listen. What do you think he's saying?
I think he's beating his ass.
Really?
Yeah, but that sounds like that. Dun, 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 dun,
Nah,
dun.
it's big
It's
wrong.
not?
No,
No?
it's not.
What are you talking about?
The translation is when you line your eyes with kuhal. Do
With
you know
alcohol.
kuhal?
Yeah, that's for eye.
The Arab
That's the
alcohol,
black, yeah.
That's what they mean.
Wait, okay.
Okay. What do you think about this part?
He's singing about the little kitty.
Seriously?
Yeah, like
What do you think?
he like that sounds like something small and cute.
Well, okay.
It's like last part.
Okay, what he's saying, he repeat the same first part. He's
Yeah.
saying, when you line your eye with alcohol,
Yeah.
you didn't think of my heart.
What? What?
Yeah.
What?
That's what
Okay,
he means.
okay, man. Who is singing this music?
Listen to this part.
Okay. He go to the beach with grandma?
He go to the beach with the grandma?
Yeah.
No.
No?
Actually, what
He
he's
enjoy
saying.
with grandma in the
No,
beach.
like totally not. So what he's saying, you hit me with the fry pan and drain all my energy.
How that work? First part, second part, and third part.
Two different, right?
Three different.
Okay.
That's all Arabic music like that?
No,
Or-
no, no.
No,
This
just
is
one.
this
You find
Iraqi.
one
kinda-
most of no makes sense.
I know.
Music for
The-
me today.
The lyrics make no sense, but the music, the song is actually it went viral. Everyone love it.
Because of
Everyone
the vibe.
does.
Because
Yeah,
of
the
the
vibe.
vibe.
Because of the vibe. But the word is shitty.
Habibi. I know where it's Habibi. Okay.
What did he say?
Okay. I think he buy flowers for his Habibi.
Is Habibi?
Yeah, for his Habibi.
Oh,
Yeah.
Interesting. That's nice, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks. Nice meaning, but actually it's not.
Why?
The meaning is, what he's saying. From the top of the bridge,
Yeah.
I will hang myself and go down to my Habibi.
Oh my God, he's so romantic.
Of course he is. He's romantic like
great.
you.
Actually, tomorrow we have a big celebration. 10
Oh,
years
really?
together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know. We
Do
are
you
10 years together.
Yeah. Do you have a plan? We are married 10
God.
years together. Married.
Oh my God.
10
All right,
years ago.
Okay, I know.
And
We married?
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have a plan for tomorrow? buy
I'll play
flowers?
this song for you. You want flowers?
I'm gonna kick your ass right now.
You kick my ass?
Yeah.
Do you want flower?
Of course.
No. Okay, I will buy
101 flowers.
101. Why?
Yeah. For love. for
Okay, I'll buy you 100.
no
Why
100 because that's the 100.
Yeah.
That's the wrong number.
I just want to know why you want me to buy 100 on one flower instead of 100. What's the difference? Is
Okay.
flower is a flower.
Okay, no. I tell you why. Because of number. Okay, 100. That's for people who is die, and
Seriously?
101 for people who is you love. For
Seriously?
example, like 31, not 30, 26, not 25.
Okay, so
Okay.
so it's not like a singular number.
Yeah.
It's not like
Exactly.
a multiple number.
Exactly.
So let's say if I want to buy you one flower but not two flowers.
Yeah.
That's
No.
Which,
Not
that's
one
weird.
or two. 101.
I understand the concept, but that's weird. Is it weird? Guys, write down in comment.
No,
Is it
it's not weird.
In which culture is that?
My country.
Your country?
My country.
That's crazy. Let me wear my Versace glasses. What do you guys think? What do you think? Look cool?
It's so
Why you
cool.
remove the logo of Versace? See, you remove the logo. Why?
Because people are jealous.
I don't care. I want to look rich. So let people get
You're
jealous,
so mean.
right? Like someone buying Versace to remove the logo. So
Yeah,
I could just
that's
go buy
mean.
it. So simply stop buying Versace because the point of it to get
Yeah.
expensive because of the logo.
No,
Without
because
logo,
of
see, it's
quality.
not-
Because of
there's
quality
not
and
quality.
confidence.
No, there's not quality.
What?
No
What is love Versace? Please
No one cares about the quality.
tell him about that. Tell him about quality.
I don't care about
Versace.
the quality.
I
Right?
care.
No.
I care about
No,
quality.
actually, no. I know.
Actually,
No, I mean, with come with Versace, Gucci, all those. It's just a brand, but the quality is. I don't think. What do you guys think? Is it really quality?
is it
or
really
it's
quality?
just a brand?
No, it's quality. It's
No,
really
no.
quality.
I-
It's good plastic and good
With the
glasses.
plastic. Oh, okay. Anyway,
Okay.
anyway, let's continue. What do you think? No.
I think
Yeah.
he's spending all his money for his dream GMC car.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I bet you got one thing. A GMC.
GMC, yeah. And he was
Yeah,
so happy for that.
Actually, he
He
said
said
GMC.
GMC.
Actually, he said GMC, but the meaning is totally different. He said, I want to catch up with the shepherd.
Catch up with the sheep.
Yeah, shepherd.
Oh my
GMC pickup, like, it's hard. Has no meaning anyway. GMC pickup with the side mirror raised.
Uh-huh.
Technically, that's what he's saying.
Okay.
I had no connection, I know.
I just have one question.
Yeah.
Do you smoke something? In
Me
his-
or him?
No, him. When
Yeah,
he think
maybe.
about that,
Maybe he was smoking some.
because the smoke makes sense. Every part is different.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. It has no meaning. It's just about like people like that. Just
like-
don't so. And who's like also listen to it is like also cuckoo, psycho,
Cuckoo?
like us.
He's good. Look at her.
Okay.
Okay. He got his GMC car and drove to see his Habibti Manama. Manama. That's the
Manama.
name, Manama.
That's what you
Manama.
heard?
Manama. That's a beautiful name, right?
Manama.
Manama.
There is a country here. Manama. What are you talking about?
But that's the name, right?
Okay. Anyway. so
Finally
the meaning,
name.
the meaning is actually is not like that. He said, "Oh, my heart is exhausted and I cannot sleep through the night." That's what actually he was.
Really? But Manama.
There is no Manama.
But in the end of the songs.
At the end of the Anama.
Anna.
Anama is mean like I sleep or like I gotta sleep or
I think that's the Manama.
I slept.
Manama.
No, I slept. I think Anama. I slept.
Okay. Finally, the song has a good vibe, but the lyrics is shitty.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, true. What do you guys think? Comment below. Tell us.
Comment.
What do you think? Is it shitty lyrics? Is it has a good vibe or is not at all? Let us know.